Hello everyone, so for today's video, I will be sharing you a glimpse of my free trial expert program journey or venture ko. Kasi right after na nag-post ako nung welcome free trial expert program, marami yung nagtanong, how much, paano maging FT, ganito ganyan. Actually, last May pa ako na-invite ni 51 Talk na mag-join sa free trial. I was invited for the orientation. Tapos, syempre, makikinig ka doon ano yung program all about, ano yung kaibahan FT teacher sa regular teacher, at saka yung mga incentives, at saka earnings mo. Syempre, maganda yung FT program. Pero, dapat na mayroon kang qualification na imi-meet. Number 1 is dapat wala kang AOS or TTP program or teacher tie-up program na mga estudyante. Kasi hindi makakapasok yung mga free trial lessons. So, dapat na free from those commitments kayo. At nung time na yon, marami akong TTP. The invitation last May was urgent. They will no longer let us have the demo. So, napakaganda na sana nun. Ano yung pamamaraan nila na worthy ka talaga to be in the program? So, they will just be reviewing your videos, mga previous videos mo sa iyong mga klase. Maganda ba yung quality ng iyong teaching? Standard ng iyong classroom? Mayroon ka bang mga teaching aids? O ganyan. So, right after the orientation, after 2 weeks nun, ay naka-receive ako ng feedback on my contact logs na hindi ako qualified because of my TTP tie-up program sa aking mga estudyante. So, nasad talaga ako noon kasi opportunity na sana. So, dapat akong maghintay na mag-mature lahat yung aking mga students para na makakontinue ako sa kanilang invitation. I waited for quite a while. Then, when my file is already prepared, at saka yung AOS ay cleared na, nag-message na ako sa domestic free trial support. Just last August 12, ay binigyan nila ako ng schedule for my trainings. Free trial nesting training part 1 and part 2. So, dalawa yung training. So, bakit nesting? Because that is a formal training before the transition of the teacher from the regular class to free trial class. Kasi dapat tuturuan ka nung kaibahan ng normal flow ng ating klase sa AC at saka free trial lesson. Kasi syempre, yung free trial, that is the branding of 51 Talk to potential students. Ikaw yung magiging frontliner or signature ng company. Doon nila makikita if it's worth it to enroll in 51 Talk. So, dapat na kompleto ka talaga. Writing, teaching environment, backups, teaching aids. Meron silang standard kasi strict rin yung free trial program. So, right after the 2 trainings, mai-endorse ka na nila for your CA demo. Magde-demo ka na naman sa isang Chinese evaluator based on the flow of free trial lesson. Kasi tuturuan ka dun sa training. Tapos, i-a-apply mo siya sa iyong lesson with your evaluator. So, kung papasa ka, congratulations! So, just like me, I passed last August 26. Doubtful pa rin ako noon kasi mayroon akong mga negative feedbacks ako naririnig na higing very secluded ka nilang schedule, tapos mahigpit yung schedule, tapos hindi ka basta-basta makaka-absent. Yun yung humihila sa akin para mag-no sa program kasi I'm pregnant. I have to limit my bookings. Tapos, of course, this is just my part-time job. Todo kayod pa rin, yes. Opo. So, I still grab. So, right after receiving that I passed, naka-assign na ako sa isang tinatawag namin na JL or Junior Leader. Kasi, kung bago ka pa lang sa program, mayroon kang 30 days na provisionary period. Kasi, they will still be observing you if you are worthy to be in the program. Kasi, mayroon kang quota na imi-meet. Mayroon kang specific percentage na aabutin in proportion to the number of booked FT lessons at how many lang yung napa-enroll mo. Kasi after 30 days, kung hindi ka naman makapasa sa number of quota or number of percentage na napa-enroll mo na mga estudyante, is goodbye, FT program ka. Yeah. Yun po, ganun po dito. After na mapasa mo yon, Pro B period mo is, yun ka na sa senior leader. So, para bang permanent ka na as FT teacher. Pero syempre, mayroon ka pa ring mga rules and regulations and policies kasi mayroon ka pa ring penalty if ever hindi ka makasunod sa policy ni FT program. Pero in the lighter side, ganito siya teachers, yung sahod. Magkano yung sahod? So sa mga critical times or yung mga peak hours ng FT lessons, so you will be earning 80 pesos booked or unbooked. So, fix yun. And then, kung na-booked ka, tapos nagpa-enroll si student, you will have an incentive of 300. Ngayon, sa isang buwan, for example, napakarami mong napa-enroll. So, tataas yun. Magiging 350, 400, hanggang sa maging 600 per enrolled student. So, depende yun sa dami ng mga napa-enroll mong estudyante. Kaya, 300 to 600. So, basically, yung bottom incentive if nakapa-enroll ka ng student is 300. Ngayon, for example, it is a non-critical hour. Example, you have your open slot at 1 o'clock Monday. So, hindi yon critical time for FT lesson. So, para ba siyang hindi peak hours? Mayroong pumasok talaga na estudyante for free trial lesson. So, since hindi siya peak hour, regular teacher salary. So, kung yung salary mo, let's say 58 or 60, yun lang po. For example, walang nagpa-book, walang pumasok, paid ka pa rin, pero half of your regular salary. So, 30 pesos yung magiging salary mo. Pero, for example, may nagpa-book, tapos nagpa-enroll, syempre, mayroon ka pa rin 300 pesos. Yun lang talaga yung advantage. Kasi, regular teacher ka, wala tayong incentive, di ba? Kung sa mga critical times, as I have said, peak hours mostly from 7 o'clock to 9:30 in the evening, 80 pesos booked or unbooked with incentives po yun kung magpa-enroll ang student. Kaya nga lang, medyo sanay ka na talaga sa pagtuturo kasi surprised po yung lesson. Just like, para bang bumalik ako sa time na bago pa ako sa teaching, ano na naman kaya ang material na ituturo ko. Marami namang pwede kong i-review kasi given naman lahat ng mga materials, sa dami ng materials, hindi mo yun i-review lahat. Naging sorpresa pa rin sa'yo yung material. Surprise! Tapos, usually pumapasok yung mga estudyante is less than a minute klase na. So, hi ka na agad. Hello, I'm Teacher Trisha Regine. Tapos, kakakita mo pa lang ng material. Ganon yun sa FT. Pero, actually, teachers, if you are invited to be FT teacher, grab the chance. Kinig kayo sa orientation. Baka magustuhan niyo po. Pero, syempre, it's your decision. Iba naman kasi talaga yung gusto mo talaga at napilitan ka lang. Hindi rin siya easy. Kung ready ka na, that's the time siguro na pumasok ka na as FT teacher. Alam nyo teachers, mayroon ring mga hindi pa na lunch na mga teachers pero they are already invited to join the program. Siguro as they check on the profile and the qualification of the teacher, bagay siya sa FT. Kasi yung ibang mga nakasabay ko sa orientation ay hindi pa lunched na mga teachers. Yung iba naman ay matagal na sa 5-1 talk. Yan di po sa invitation. So hopefully, one of these days, ma-invite rin kayo as free trial teacher and then try to listen on the orientation. Pero kung hindi ka pa talaga prepared, enjoy muna yung mga challenges as a regular teacher on your shift management at saka as TTP teacher to fixed students kasi I've been there na full of ups and downs. Almost a year talaga akong nag-adjust way back 2020. Iyak ng iyak, ganito, ganyan. So, naranasan ko yan lahat. Siguro nakita nyo yan sa lahat ng mga vlogs ko regarding my experiences as an ESL teacher. Pero nagpursige ako at saka see the lighter side of this job and I love the company. It reflects rin kung ano yung passion mo. Love for work, yes. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much and I hope nakatulong ang video na ito. I still have more to share about free trial pero napakataas na ng video na ginawa ko. So, God bless your teaching journey. Bye-bye!